Welcome to LibraNetworks Radio, the podcast created with artificial intelligence where we discuss how to launch or enhance your online business. Today we'll talk about SEO and how it can help you to create an effective SEO strategy. But first, as always, I remind you that if you visit the LibraNetworks.com website, you can access the best premium plugins and themes to launch your online business with WordPress. Total access to download the tools used by the best professionals, with updates included, unlimited domains, all for only $10 a month. Visit LibraNetworks.com and I'll explain everything to you. And now, let's go with today's topic. First, I'll be discussing the importance of keyword research and how it can help you to create an effective SEO strategy. Keyword research is a vital component of search engine optimization because it enables you to identify the most relevant and valuable keywords for your business or website. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of keyword research, let's first understand what SEO is and why it's important. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages. By ranking higher, your website will receive more traffic and visibility, which can lead to more conversions and sales. The first step in any SEO strategy is to identify the keywords that you want to target. These are the terms that people are using to search for products or services related to your business. Once you have identified these keywords, you can then create content that is optimized for them. Now, let's talk about how to conduct keyword research. The first thing you need to do is to brainstorm a list of potential keywords. These can be related to your products or services, your industry, or your target audience. For example, cheap sports shoes, or funny custom t-shirts, or car workshop in New York. Once you have your list, you can use keyword research tools to determine which keywords are the most valuable. Some popular keyword research tools include Google Ads Keyword Planner, SEMrush, and Ahrefs. These tools can help you to identify the search volume, competition, and cost per click or CPC of each keyword. It's important to note that you should choose keywords that are relevant to your business and have a decent amount of search volume. Avoid choosing keywords that are too broad or generic, as these will be difficult to rank for. The next important step is on-page SEO. On-page SEO refers to the optimization of individual pages on your website, including content, HTML source code, and website architecture. The first step in on-page SEO is to ensure that your website's content is optimized for your target keywords. This means including your target keywords in your page titles, headings, and throughout your content. However, it's important to avoid keyword stuffing, which is the practice of using keywords excessively in an attempt to manipulate search engine rankings. Instead, focus on creating high-quality content that is informative and engaging for your audience. Another important on-page SEO factor is website speed. Slow-loading websites can negatively impact user experience and search engine rankings. To improve your website speed, consider compressing images, minimizing HTTP requests, and using a content delivery network or CDN to cache your website's content. Website architecture is also an important on-page SEO factor. A well-structured website with clear navigation can make it easier for users and search engines to find and navigate your content. Consider organizing your content into categories and using descriptive URLs and breadcrumbs to help users understand where they are on your website. Finally, it's important to ensure that your website is mobile-friendly. With the majority of Internet users now accessing the web from mobile devices, having a responsive website design that adjusts to different screen sizes is essential for both user experience and search engine rankings. Next step, off-page SEO. Off-page SEO refers to the optimization of factors that are outside of your website, such as the quality and quantity of backlinks pointing to your website and your presence on social media. Link building is a crucial off-page SEO technique that involves acquiring high-quality backlinks to your website. Backlinks are links from other websites that point to your website. Search engines use backlinks as a signal of trust and authority, so acquiring high-quality backlinks can help to improve your website's search engine rankings. Surely you have heard that one way to acquire backlinks is to create high-quality content that other websites will want to link to. You can also reach out to other websites in your industry and request that they link to your website. This is very nice, but it is not true. The truth is that link building is simply buying links. Google says this is bad, but it's what all SEO agencies actually do. However, it's important to avoid spammy link building practices such as participating in link farms, as these can lead to penalties from search engines. Social media marketing is another important off-page SEO technique. Social media can help to increase your website's visibility and drive traffic to your website. By creating engaging social media content and sharing links to your website, you can attract more visitors and potentially acquire backlinks from social media users. It's important to note that off-page SEO techniques should be used in conjunction with on-page SEO techniques to create a holistic SEO strategy. By optimizing both on-page and off-page factors, you can improve your website's search engine rankings and drive more traffic to your website. Next step is local SEO. Local SEO is the process of optimizing your website to appear in search results for location-based queries. The first step in local SEO is to create and optimize your Google My Business listing. Google My Business is a free tool that allows businesses to manage their online presence on Google, including their Google Maps listing and Knowledge Graph panel. By creating a complete and accurate Google My Business listing, you can increase your visibility in local search results and attract more customers to your business. Another important local SEO technique is to ensure that your website is optimized for local keywords. This means including local keywords in your website's content and titles. For example, if you're a dentist in Los Angeles, you might target keywords like Los Angeles dentist or the dentist near me. You can also build local backlinks by partnering with other local businesses and organizations. By building relationships with other businesses in your community and linking to each other's websites, you can increase your website's visibility in local search results. Finally, it's important to encourage customer reviews on your Google My Business listing and other review sites. Positive reviews can improve your business's visibility in search results and increase customer trust and confidence. Next step, technical SEO. Very, very important. Technical SEO refers to the optimization of the technical aspects of your website that can impact search engine rankings. Website speed is a crucial technical SEO factor that can impact both user experience and search engine rankings. Slow-loading websites can lead to high bounce rates and lower search engine rankings. To improve your website speed, consider compressing images, minimizing HTTP requests, and using a content delivery network, CDN, to cache your website's content. Schema markup is another important technical SEO technique that can help search engines to better understand your website's content. Schema markup is a type of structured data that you can add to your website's HTML code to provide additional context and information about your content. This can help search engines to display rich snippets and other enhanced search results, which can improve your website's visibility in search results. This can be easily done with plugins such as Rank Math SEO or Yoast SEO, both available on the LibreNetworks.com website. Another important technical SEO factor is website security. Websites that use HTTPS encryption are considered more secure and can benefit from a small search engine ranking boost. This is essential today. To implement HTTPS encryption on your website, you'll need to obtain an SSL certificate from a trusted certificate authority. Most hosting providers offer it, and you can also use plugins like Really Simple SSL Pro, available at LibreNetworks.com. It's also important to ensure that your website is mobile-friendly and accessible to all users, including those with disabilities. This can help to improve user experience and search engine rankings. Let's go on. Content marketing. Content marketing is the process of creating and sharing high-quality content to attract and engage your target audience. One of the key benefits of content marketing is that it can help to attract backlinks to your website, which can improve your website's search engine rankings. By creating high-quality and informative content that other websites want to link to, you can acquire valuable backlinks and increase your website's authority and credibility. Another important aspect of content marketing is keyword research. By identifying the keywords and phrases that your target audience is searching for, you can create content that is optimized for those keywords and improve your website's search engine rankings. It's also important to create a content marketing plan and regularly publish new content on your website. This can help to keep your website fresh and up to date, and can also help to attract and retain visitors to your website. Finally, social media can be a powerful tool for content marketing. By sharing your content on social media and engaging with your followers, you can increase your website's visibility and drive traffic to your website. The next step is the importance of analytics and how you can use data to improve your website's search engine rankings. Analytics refers to the collection and analysis of data about your website's performance and user behavior. One of the key benefits of analytics is that it can help you to identify areas of your website that need improvement. For example, you can use analytics to identify pages on your website with high bounce rates or low engagement, and then make improvements to those pages to improve user experience and search engine rankings. Another important aspect of analytics is tracking your website's search engine rankings and traffic. By monitoring your website's performance in search engine results pages (SERPs), you can identify opportunities to improve your website's visibility and attract more traffic. You can also use analytics to track the performance of your SEO strategies, such as your keyword targeting and link building efforts. By analyzing the effectiveness of these strategies, you can make informed decisions about where to focus your SEO efforts in the future. It's important to regularly review and analyze your website's analytics data to ensure that your SEO strategies are effective and producing results. All right, that's it for today. I hope it has helped you learn something new. Thank you very much to all those who support the podcast, especially to all those who subscribe to LibreNetworks.com. Thanks for being there every day. Without you, none of this would be possible. And before I go, remember that you can also subscribe to the newsletter where every day you will receive a tip, news, a reflection on online entrepreneurship, on life, you know. We already have over 2,000 people signed up. LibreNetworks.com/newsletter. It's free to sign up and unsubscribe if you're not interested. Again, thank you very much. I hope you liked this podcast and see you at the next.